Congress, and I find it quite a good initiative of bringing different professionals, service providers, equipment suppliers together under one umbrella. It's a good experience so far.
And how do you think platforms like these add a fresh perspective to the industry?
Any platform like this which brings different facets, different players of the industry together always has an important role to play, and I'm sure seeing the attendance here, the kind of speakers, the kind of exhibitors, I'm sure it's a great endeavor and everybody is benefiting out from it.
And finally, any feedback you would like to give us? What is the way forward about the industry? Anything that you would like to tell us?
Well, industry is dynamic and growing at its good pace, and everything is reactionary to market forces and everything.